Good morning. Today we are taking some more examples on the sets. And in the last class, I told what is the roster representation of set, and second was set builder form. And now we have set builder form. We are taking some example of set builder form, and we'll try to convert them in roster form. So this is the first question we are having. I'll start with one by one and I'll remove them. As soon as I'll just complete that I'll remove. So just note it. First statement says E. E is a one set X where X is a natural number and X is equal to 2n. 2n means X which you are taking, natural number you are taking, which is a multiple of 2 where n is a natural number. You know what is natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is X? X is that natural number which is a multiple of 2. So it means when you go for E, first n I'll place 1 here. When you place n 1, so what is the first number we are getting? This is 2 because X is given to n. So when you take n as 1, then what will be X? That will be 2. When you take n is 2, what is X? That will be 4. So what are the numbers here? 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. So first set will be the set of even numbers, we can say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. So if X is given 2n, we will say X is a natural number which is X is 2n. 2n means all even numbers we are there. So whenever even numbers, so we'll say E will be coming 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. By the way, in this question, I'll slight change plus 1 I'll make. What does indicate? This indicate that it is odd number. Now, when you take X is 2n plus 1, it is nothing but an odd number. When it is an odd number, we should say when you put n as 1, then it will be 2 plus 1, it is 3. Then 2 to 4, 4 plus 1, this will be 5. Then 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7. Then comes 9. So on, this will be the set E. So E set will be the set of natural number which are odd because it is coming to n plus 1. So that you should keep in mind. So now we are coming on second part. This question is complete now. Second says X where X is equal to n square where n belongs to natural numbers. X where X is n square where n belongs to natural number, or I can write this X square where X is a natural number. What that indicate? It says X is some natural number which is square of some natural number, means all the natural numbers which are in the form of squares. X is a natural number or X is a number which is a square of natural number. You can say X is that number which is a square of your natural number, or we say X square. X square means which is a square of natural number. Here I can write this way also or this way also. It says X is a number which is a square of natural number. It is also saying X is a natural number and X square we are going to take. So in this case, what will be the A set here? First, when you take n squared, so it will be 1 square because n can be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go for 2 square. Then we go for 3 square, 4 square, so on. So what the numbers will be? Will come out to be 1, 4, 9, 16, so on. So second set will be A set which you are taking. It is nothing but natural number which are perfect squares. So it will be 1 square. Natural number are 1, 2, 3. I want the square of them. So it will be 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So it will be giving n square. Third one. Now when you take third one, it says x is a positive integers. Integers, you remember. What are integers? 0 is integer, 1, 2, 3, so on. And here it comes minus 1, minus 2, so on it will go. Minus 3. These are integers. So x is a positive integer and divisor by 9. It says x is a positive integer, means we are considering only the positive side, and which are divisor of 9. 9 it should divide. So we will say it will be divisible by 9. So can you write what is the first number now? First number will be 9. First integer, because plus, we don't go on negative side. We only go positive side. So 9, then 18, 27, 54. These all numbers will be multiples of 9, or we will say they are divisor of 9. So we will say it will be x is a positive integer, so we should consider positive numbers, or we'll say from 0 to onward this way. And what numbers to be taken? Which are divisor of 9. So we have taken that. Next, C, set C. It says x is some integer whose square is less than 20. What it says, x, we want only x, whose square is less than 20. This is integer, maybe positive or negative. This time they are not saying positive or negative. So any integer you take, and that square should be less than 20. For example, I'll say first we'll consider the integers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Here it goes -1, -2, -3, so on. First we'll take the integer 0. Square of 0. 0 square is less than 20. Yes, it is valid. So we'll say 0 is possible. 1 is the integer. Square you do less than 20. Yes, because 3, 2 when you take 4. So it is again less. Then we go for 3. So it will be 9. Then comes 4, 16. 5 you can't take because 5 square comes out to be 25, less than no. Then we consider this, -1 square is 1, -2 square will be 4, -3 square will be 9, -4 square will be 16, still less than 20, -5 you can't take because -5 means 25, less than 20 cannot be possible. So this way you will be having your set C. Set C will be those integers whose square is coming less than 20. We have taken that. Then coming on next part, that will be D. What D set says x where x is n by n square plus 1, where n should be natural number, and it will be between 1 and 3, including 1, including 3. Include 1, include 3. So what are the natural number we are going to consider? Only 3, 1, 2 and 3. So what will be the first x? X will put as 1. When you put 1 here, it will be 1 by 1 square plus 1. Then we'll put 2. Then it will be 2 square plus 1. Then we go for 3. 3 square plus 1. Now when you solve it, it will come 1 by 2. It will be 2 by 5 and then 3 by 10. These are the three numbers, because n is only the natural number and should be between 1 and 3, include 1 and 3. So only three natural number, 1, 2 and 3. And then those n will be placed as 1 here, then will be 1 by 2, then 2 here, 2 by 5, 3 you take, 3 by 10. So that way you get. Now this is important one, F. Here in this case, if they say you write down F set. Now this is the set, it is relevant to your AP which you have done last year. AP has AN as the nth term. So keep in mind that you should take here as AN is nth term, and what it says, first term is 1. So first term A1 is 1. Now I want A2. A2 when you want to calculate, n is a natural number. So and when you want 2, n we will place 1. When you place n as 1, it will become A2 directly. And this will become thrice of A1. A1 is 1 only, so it will come out to be 3. Then when you take n2, then it will come A2 plus 1, that is 3 times of A2. Right? n we are taking 2, so 2 plus 1 3, and this is 2. Then what it will be? Thrice of a2. What is a2? Yes, what is a2? Already known 3, so it will come out to be 9. Then we go for n is 3, so it will come 3 plus 1, so a4. Then it comes 3a3. What it will come? 3 into 9, it will be 27. So what will be the f we have this time? First element is 1, second element will be 3, third element will be 9, then come 27, so on it goes. Okay, this will be the series we have. Same way now if you take the series G, that will be another one. G we have to find out. In G what it says, A1 and A2 is coming 1. In G set we have A1 is 1, A2 is also 1. And another you calculate by this AN plus 2 should be AN plus 1 plus AN. Here n we should place, start with 1. N is the natural number. So when you put n is 1, what this will come? A3 will be A2 plus A1. And A2 plus A1, what they are? 1 plus 1, come out to be 2. Then I take n as 2. What it will come? A4. When you go for A4, what it will come? 2 plus 1. This is A3. This will come A2. A3 plus A2. What it will be? A3 will be 2 plus A2 is 1. It will come out to be 3. Same way when you take N3, it will come A5 is A4 plus A3. A4 will be 3 plus A3 will be 2. Come out to be 5. So what will be the numbers here? A1, that is the first number 1. A2 is also 1. Here you keep in mind the two terms are repeated. Same number repeated, but this is indicating A1, this is A2. So you can't say that you can write only it's one time. No. Otherwise, what you will find, when the third number will come 2, then 3, then 5, so on. Then it is clearly this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, fourth term, fifth term. If you don't write this because there is a same number coming, by the way you don't write, then this will be A1 and this is A2. But A2 is not here, A2 is 1. A3 is coming 2. So that's why we should write 1 once more. So this is a special case in which we repeat certain element. Earlier I told you that if the numbers are identical or the letters are identical, don't repeat it. But here we have to repeat because this is the concern of nth term. So that you should keep in mind. So this way we have the examples of set builder form which you have converted in roster form. So next time we'll continue with this.